Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Today we will study the chapter of footprint, that name is the midnight visitor. Dear students, this chapter, the midnight visitor, is representing a thrilling story of detectives. This story begins when Fowler, a story writer, was so excited in the morning to meet a detective, a very famous secret agent. Whole day he was practicing that when he will go to meet the detectives whose name was Possible, how does he look, how he talk, and so many kind of other question he is imagine while walking here and there. Whole day he was tense because the secret agent to whom he was going to take an interview was a very talented person, a very talented secret agent. That is why Fowler was so worried. So right now the time came and Fowler moved to the French hotel where Possible was living. When he saw Possible, the first impression, Fowler got so sad. The fat man, the amiable man, could be a secret agent. He was very sad that from morning I was planning to meet a man that will look so handsome, so charming, so smart, so fast. But this man is looking fully opposite to them. So Fowler was not so happy to meet Possible. Possible, as he was a secret agent, very soon realized that Fowler is taking me not seriously. Fowler is concentrating in my body, in my fat physique, not in my talent. So openly Possible told him, Fowler, you don't worry, don't go through my physique, though I am a fat man. Just go the documents that I am going to provide you, and that will change the scenario. What was the document? The document was a record of missiles. By listening this, Fowler by and how just say yes and just move with Possible to his room. They enter in the room and suddenly they saw a man with pistol in his hand. Fowler and Possible got surprised. Who was in Possible's room? Possible was surprised, but he knew the man. The man was Max, the another secret agent. By looking to Max, Fowler thought, yeah, this kind of a man should be the secret agent. He is having all the quality of a secret agent as I imagine. He was comparing to Possible and Max. Sorry. Afterward, what happened? Max told to Possible, just provide me all the documents related to missiles, otherwise I'll shoot you. You can't make it safe. I want to take the document so that I can keep it safe. But Possible was in a smooth way, in a relaxed mood, go and sit on sofa. And he started to talk something else. He told to Max, how did you enter? But before getting reply from Max, he told, I have so many times told to the manager of the hotel that many persons enter in my room from the balcony side. Do the needful. but he never pay attention to my words. Balcony side. By listening this, Max told, no, I came to the room by pass key. I didn't come by balcony. But Oswald told him, no, you are coming by the balcony because I have only one key that is with me, and many times there are other persons reported in my room through balcony. So the discussion between Oswald and Max was going on. Fowler was looking, listening. He was fully frightened because there was pistol in the hand of Max, and the pistol was indicating once to the Fowler, then to the Oswald. Fowler thought, where I came today, it may be end of my life. And the hot discussion was going between the two secret agents. Suddenly, a man knocked on the door. He again knocked on the door, and that took the attention of all the members in the room. Max asked to Oswald, who is on the gate? Oswald told, nothing, no one, that could be police. Max told, police? How did police enter here? Oswald told, I have told to police for their help because many times so many persons come to meet me, and right now I am having very important documents, so anybody can come to kill me and to take the documents, so I had informed to the police to make my safety. So that could be police. And by listening the name of police, Max got surprised and fearful. On the same time, Oswald told him, might be the police entered. If I am not opening the gate, so they will just break the gate. If I am opening the gate, the police will enter and definitely they will kill you, because I have called them. So at that moment, one idea came into the mind of Max that on the door there is police. But as Oswald told me that many times person come through balcony, so he, by putting the pistol on the head of Oswald, moved back towards the balcony and warned to Oswald that he is waiting him in the balcony, and till the police is going back, I'll come in the room and I'll take the documents, and don't make me fool. Don't do any kind of other things. Don't inform the police. I'm just coming after the police. If you will inform the police, I'll kill you. And from the balcony, from the window, he jumped in the balcony, and there was a big sound. This side, the door was opened by Oswald, and the waiter entered inside the room. So Fowler asked Oswald that you told Max that there is police, but this is waiter. Oswald told, yeah, I know it. This is waiter. I called him. So Fowler told, so why you tell him that the police is outside? He will come and he will kill both of us. Oswald told, no, he will never come, because there is no balcony. So they just went and see that from the 6th floor, Max jumped on the balcony, but he fell down on the road and he died. So by this kind of trick of Oswald, Fowler got impressed. He thought, yeah, though Oswald was a fat man, but he is a very talented guy. So for the talent, a physics is not required in the different shape and size. Mind is required. So by this way, this chapter over, and Fowler got very thrilling story to write. So my dear student, this is the whole soul of the story. Kindly do the question answer that I have given you through WhatsApp in PDF. Thank you.
Cool.